Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make BTS V's Nurungji snack. Let's get started! 안녕 친구들, are you guys ready to cook? Today, we're gonna cook another BTS recipe. I already covered few BTS recipes such as 계란 bibimbap and 골뱅이 소면. And if you haven't watched it, you can click here. And today, I'm gonna cover V's Nurungji snack. In the episode, V showed how to make Nurungji. Nurungji is a Korean roasted rice. He tried to make his mom recipe, but he forgot few steps. So today, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make Nurungji like V's mom. So let's get started! To get started, we need rice. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make nurungji two different ways. So first, get a 200 grams of rice and add 3 tablespoons of water and mix it well. Long time ago, before rice cooker was common, every Korean family used to cook rice in a pressure cooker. Once you make rice in a pressure cooker, there's a tons of roasted rice on the bottom. So they used leftover roasted rice to make this snack. But these days, everyone is using a rice cooker. So these days, kid doesn't really eat this snack. But when I was young and when we was young, this snack was very popular. My mom used to cook this thing and always told me your grandma used to make this for me. So in my generation, this is very popular snack. Since we cooked the rice in a rice cooker, he didn't have a nurungji. So we have to roast the rice first. So once you mix it well, place it on a pan. Get a big spoon and dip it in the water, and we're gonna press it down. Make sure to spread it as thin as possible. Once you spread it well, place it on a stove and put your stove as low as possible. The key to make a nurungji is put the heat as low as possible, and we're gonna cook it for about 10 minutes. While it's cooking, I'm gonna teach you how to make nurungji number 2. So put to the side. This is not how V made it, but this way you can make a nurungji way simpler. So it's like a life hack. So get 200 grams of rice and put 3 tablespoons of water and mix it well. Once you mix it well, get a big plate and place your rice on the plate and spread it thin. Ta-da! Like this. And we're gonna put this in a microwave for about 8 minutes. It will take about 8 to 10 minutes depending on your rice and how much water you put. So we're gonna put it 8 minutes and see what happens.
A few moments later.
After 10 minutes, try to swirl it around. Once your rice is cooked, it will be able to swirl it. Swirl.
There's an L.
Swirl.
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 There's an L.
Swirl. 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 What's this? Wait, I gotta flip it now. Okay. Yeah, but you guys know what I mean, right? So it'll be able to swirl. 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 Anyway, yeah? Okay, but I gotta flip it. So get your spatula, like cutest one, like me. I know you're jealous. Thank you, Chanel. And we're gonna flip it. And we're gonna cook it about 10 more minutes. After 8 to 10 minutes, ta-da! It's all ready. But right after microwaving, you're not gonna be able to take it out. So we gotta cool it down a little bit. So I'm gonna let it cook. So put to the side. Once you cook both sides for 10 minutes, it's all ready. But you can cook it a little longer for extra crispiness. So after 20 minutes, turn your stove off, place it on a plate. If I cook this my way, I would pan fry it. But since V didn't pan fry it, we're gonna put sugar on top just like him. Put as much as you like. More sugar is better. V's Nurungji is all done, but now I'm gonna show you guys how to make V's mom style of Nurungji snacks. So once your microwave Nurungji is cooled down, you're gonna be able to take it out like this. And get your pan and turn your stove on medium-low heat. And get any kind of oil and place your Nurungji in the pan. We're gonna cook it about 2 to 3 minutes on both sides. So make sure to flip it in the middle so it doesn't get burned. I know I can do it, but every time when I try to flip it, I get super nervous. Oh, there's no camera. Focus, there's no camera. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, it cooks super well. Look at, so 노릇노릇하다. It's so 뭐랄까 이거 yellow and toasted. Word of the day. This part of food is called 노릇노릇하다. Once the both sides are 노릇노릇하다, turn your stove off. Place it on a plate. Before it cools down, add a lot of sugar. I gotta clean it now. That's it. Our Nurungji is all ready to eat. Eating time. That's it. Let's try these first. It's good. Honestly, when I watched B making it, I was skeptical about it because he forgot some steps. But it's actually really good. Nurungji is usually crispy like this, but his one is not as crispy. But there are some soft rice and it's very interesting and I really like it. 맛있는데? Now let's try V's mom. Nurungji is usually crispy like this and yellow like this. So let's try. Super good. I really like it. It tastes just like my mom's Nurungji. Super crispy. Whatever you imagine is more crispy than what you're imagining. And cooking it in oil is very important. Since we cooked it in oil and put sugar on top, all the sugar melt into the rice. Because of that, it almost feels like I'm eating a popcorn. It's sweet, but it's a little savory like a popcorn. It's very 고소하다. It's very toasted and I really like it. 뭐지? 기다려. You gotta tell me. 뭐지? No, 기다려. 뭐지? You gotta tell me which one you like more. V's or V's mom's. Okay? Ready, set, go. Take it!
Nope.
No, what's it? Okay, I'll put closer. Take it! V's mom!
Round 2.
Take it!
Go!
You like it? Seems like he loves it. Oh, he likes V's too. That's it for today's episode and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed it, please hit the like button. That will help my channel a lot. What time is it? Time to announce Jingle of the Week. The Jingle of the Week is HTC Nonsense. They tried my 3 different corn dogs and it looked really good. I hope you enjoyed it. Keep cooking delicious food. And if you cook my recipe, please tag me. Thank you to my Patreon. Mechanom and Krista, Sequeline, Nancy, Samantha, Shanette, Sandero, Miss Cheshire, Spencer, Gia, Joy, Sue, Lexi, Mr. and Mrs. Gavin. Thank you so much for helping me to make bigger and better content. See you next week. 안녕. 맞지? 안녕. 맞지? 안녕. If you like this episode, please hit subscribe button. And if you wanna see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. Then I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!